Hello guys. Today I'm facing with black screen issue in my Geeetech A30 machine. So what I found in their website in forum tab some files which I have need to upload in the LCD memory card. So first I have to remove this spool holder and then bottom part and the fourth screw in left side right there. So now I have removed all these screws, take out the part. Now remove these four screws and that is the G code memory card for printing slot. Don't do any rush or don't break your machine. Before you do anything, please take out all your connection from the machine and the power supply. In that way you will be safe. So now I remove these 4 screws and take out the power supply box from the box easily. Now in the LCD board there is a memory card right there, which is 128 MB memory card. Just take it out. There is some glues, you have to remove it. Slowly do your work. Remove that memory card from the LCD main board. Now you can see it, this 128 MB memory card. Yeah. So take the adapter to connect with your laptop and where is my, yeah, I got it, my adapter. Put it that and plug it with your laptop. 128 MB memory card, plug it. Take all these files and copy it. Go to the memory card and then paste it. You will be prompt with replacing these files. Replace with it these files, and these are not too big files. Sorry for this shake. Yeah, all these files are copied now. Take out from your laptop. Take out from your laptop 128 MB memory card and put it back where it is. The space is too small and I just drop it. So just curve it and take it out with your forceps. I found it. Yes, I found it. And put it back again. I'm trying. It's very hard. Yes, I think I do it. I did it. Right, I did it. Okay, so now put it back, the power supply box where it is. Now screws all these four spots and the lower part also. Please keep in mind when you do open your boxes, main motherboard boxes, remove all the power supply button, power supplies cord, and the machine connection cords. If anything happen, if anything, maybe you will get shocked. If you did not remove these power supplies cords. So I have screwed the 4 parts and bottom part I'm trying to screwing. Yes. Now it's time to check the machine where it is work or not. So where is my power cord? Power. Yes, I found it. Yeah. So it is my power cord and put it back. Make sure it is off. Then plug it and turn it on. Take time. Yes, it has come. And this touch can also work again. Light is too bright. I have no option to control the brightness of the LCD, but it is work.